at the end of the day, it's super simple to start making money from home. I believe it's the fastest way that a person can literally start living the dreams of their life, because it allows you to have the time and the flexibility to earn money from whatever part of the world you are in. All you need is a cell phone, a computer, and internet connection. With that, you can literally put products in front of thousands of people that are willing to buy that product from you in exchange for you to get a commission. And sometimes a recruiting commission, meaning that every time they pay that membership, you get 33% or 50% of their membership. So, and oftentimes even up to 90%, it depends on which system and affiliate you are promoting. So anyway, 3 simple steps. I'm gonna drop the formula down below. First is you must understand traffic, how to get targeted traffic. And there are many strategies that I'm going to be sharing here in the channel. So hit the subscribe button. Number 2 is have an landing page, or as I call it, an opt-in page, which is basically a squeeze page that has a video, a headline with an interesting question that gets the attention of the potential buyer in exchange for the email. So you offer them something for free. We give them maybe an ebook or something of value, maybe a video, and they give us their email. And then the third step is to have an autoresponder in place. Okay, it's the most important tool that we can have in our business, because it collects the emails and it allows us to send targeted campaigns, marketing campaigns catered to those potential clients. We can divide the groups and we can literally make them go out on autopilot every week, and all we have to do is oversee the statistics and see who opened the email, who click on the link, who follow the call of action. And as much as it has a bunch of other tools within the autoresponder, like marketing tools that will help any type of business. It doesn't matter which niche you are on in your business. What matters is that you have an autoresponder that collects emails and you control that database. It's important that you control and keep those emails, because that person, if they buy it from you today, they might buy from you again in the future. So you want them to keep in contact and also keep them aware of new products and new things that you're offering. And sometimes you may be giving things for free as well. So anyway, traffic, opt-in page or landing page, and an autoresponder. If you want an autoresponder, I'm going to leave all the links below so you can get all of that. But the autoresponder is very important, so you can just go to myemailautoresponder.com and get yours right there. Use the same one that I use. There are many of them out there, but this one by far is the best one to me, because it's super easy to use, and literally anyone can get to it right away, because you don't need any technical or any type of super skills to navigate. If you can use Facebook, you can definitely use the back office of this autoresponder. So just go to www.myemailautoresponder.com. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Hit the subscribe button and leave your comment below if you have any questions. If you want to start working with me online and start making money and start building your asset column, then follow me on Instagram at Master Investor, and go to my website and start working with me by making passive money, passive income, which is the income that comes in while we're asleep. We're gonna teach you how to make money while you're asleep by having systems in place that do the selling and telling for you. Okay, so anyway, and of course, so you can follow your passions and really hopefully monetize them as well, right? Learn how to monetize your passions. A lot of times, people, the lack of money doesn't allow people to follow their passions because they are too busy working to pay the bills, and so they don't have time. And so we're gonna free up some of that busy time by providing you with passive income. Is the income of the rich. Okay, and that's what we're all about here at Master Investor Company, is to teach you to elevate your financial education, your financial IQ with good financial literacy, so that you can increase your finances, you increase your bottom line, your cash flow, your passive income, not the earned income from a job, but passive income that comes from assets, online assets or even offline assets. Okay, but we're gonna be focusing on online assets because it's the fastest way that anyone can make money around the world. All right, see you on the next vid. Much love. I hope this information has been helpful to you, and stay great. Remember, you can start by doing something every single day. You don't need to have all the answers right away. Just start by doing something, and eventually you'll have a great wall. I mean, great, track record of things that you have done that you'll be grateful that you had got started back then. All right, talk to you in the next video. Bye.